Hello, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with a lovely Kawasaki 750 H2 triple two-stroke that you can see behind me in purple. It's a lovely bike. We've fully repainted it. We put the Higgspeed silencers on there because the original ones were a bit rough. What I'm going to do now, show you around the bike and tell you how to start it. It is cold, as you can see here. First thing we need to do is turn the fuel on, turn the ignition on, and then put a bit of choke on, and she should start. Let's give it a go. Ignition's up here. Fuel on. Okay, I'll show you around now. Really nice condition, very loud with the Higgspeed silencers. A loud bike is a safe bike, as they say. And it really rips all these spunkies of these bikes, nice and shiny. There we have it. So if you fancy a ticket, go to the website. It's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99 for this one. If you're watching this video and it's no longer on the site, still check the site out because we're always looking for nice classic two-strokes like this. If you do enter, thank you very much and good luck.